Why are nightclubs so trash for men? Number one, when you're in a nightclub, it is all a looks test. And you are in competition with all the other guys in the club. And most of the times, there's going to be more guys than there are going to be women in there. Guys taller than you, guys better looking than you, guys that got more money, maybe got more drip than you. Yeah, got all the designers on display, all of that. You're just putting yourself in a battle that is very, very difficult. Not impossible, but difficult. And end of the day, it's a looks test because in the club, usually going to be listening to very loud music. People are going to be intoxicated. So, you trying to talk to a girl. There's no point trying to have no sophisticated conversation. There's no point trying to be super smooth with all your one-liners that you learned from some dating coach or whatever. Bro, at the end of the day, it's all going to be a looks test. Especially if it's a thing where you're on the dance floor. The girl that you want to talk to is dancing, and then you go up behind her. A lot of times the girl will turn around and take a look at you, and if she likes what she sees, then she will dance. And more than likely, you won't even have to say much. You just pass your phone round to her while she's dancing, and she'll just give you her details. I've done this many times, bruv, many times. Don't even need to say a word. Looks test. But on the other hand, if she looks around and she doesn't like what she sees, she will let you know from that moment that this interaction is terminated, bruv. There will be no further interaction. In fact, she's going to take a step and move away from you. And usually in that moment, you're going to feel very, very low. And you're going to feel like, whoa, I hope nobody saw that, bruv. Yeah, happens all the time. Another reason why nightclubs are trash for men is that it's a game by the nightclub to make men waste money. A lot of these clubs will have the policy where the women come in for free, and then the men will be paying some extortionate fee to enter the venue. And then obviously the drinks are overpriced. If you go and buy a table in the club, it's going to be some stupid amount of money, like thousands, right, for a table. And then these girls come with these bottles and sparklers, right? And then all these other gold digger girls are going to come around, and you're going to be trying to give them drinks and pouring drink in their mouth, getting them wavy for free and stuff like that. Or if you don't get the table, you're at the bar, you're trying to buy girls drinks because you're trying to, start talking to them and hopefully hook up with them. Bro, like, it's a trick, bro. These nightclubs know exactly what they're doing. They get the girls in for free, so the guys are going to spend a lot of money. That's the game. All right, that's the game. And really and truly, it's going to be a waste of money. You're paying for overpriced, watered down drinks. Right? It's a joke. It's actually a joke. And then you got to spend money, travel, all of this stuff. A lot of you guys, you go to the store and buy the most expensive clothes just to go to the club, and nobody's going to even know what you're wearing. It's just a stupid cycle. Right? It's just stupid. All right. Another reason why nightclubs are trash for guys is that a lot of times these girls, when they come to nightclubs, they're just there for attention, right? The only time it will convert is if they come across a guy they really find attractive physically. Like, if you pass the looks test, maybe you won the genetic lottery or 6 foot whatever, and you got devilishly good looks and stuff like that. Yeah, it can work. Like, I will say, for my own personal experience, I'll keep it real. I've done well in nightclubs. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, I've done well, but I can understand the world outside myself, and I can see, and I've taken L's as well, and I can see how a lot of times these women, they just come there, they like to get attention, they like to get drinks bought for them. A lot of times women will go to nightclubs, they don't even have no money because they don't have to pay entrance fee, and they know men are gonna pay for their drinks, so they just go there, don't spend no money, and then leave. and then more than likely some guy will probably drive them home at the end of the night, bruv. A lot of these girls, they just go there to get a little ego boost, get some attention. Hopefully they'll see a high value man in there, but if not, a lot of you guys are just gonna go there and face a lot of rejection, bro. Like me personally, like at this point in life, I don't really have no interest in going to nightclubs. I just find it to be quite redundant at this point. I find it to be like a waste of time. And guys that go to nightclubs on a regular basis, I mean, unless you're a Chad or Tyrone, I just think it's gonna be a waste of time, to be honest. A lot of guys, I believe, think they can only meet women in nightclubs, but bro, like, women are everywhere in this world, bro. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, for me personally, I've met a lot of women through friends, through people I've worked with, met people that I even was personal training, people like girls in the gym. You know what I mean? Like, you can meet girls anywhere, bro. Do you get what I'm saying? So the nightclub, I don't think is the best place. I think it's kind of one of the hardest places. Like, do you get what I'm saying? I think you've got more chance if it's like a one-on-one situation where maybe you was in the supermarket or the library or the gym or whatever, and then you just approach the girl one-on-one. I think you've got a better probability of success than when you're in a nightclub. You know, you got all this competition of like a 200 other guys walking around, you know, and then she's feeling herself because she's got her makeup on and her hair's done and she's wearing some tight outfit. You know, her ego is on 10, you know, and all her friends are around as well. That's another aspect, because if her friends don't like you, then more than likely that's gonna make you fail. Yeah, that's gonna cause rejection, because a lot of times women care about what other people think, right? So if her friends disqualify you, then she's gonna disqualify you, or they'll just, you know, cop block. Simples. Just pull her away while you're talking. That's happened to me like before. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I just think that nightclubs are a bit of a waste of time, to be honest with you. Like, you know, but you know, if you're a guy and you like the atmosphere and you like, you know, I guess getting wasted and listening to loud music and having a headache at the end of the night and probably eating some junk food after the club, I mean, go do that, man. Go live your movie, bro. But for guys that are a little bit more sensible and probably been there, done that, and now their strategy to meet women is a little bit more tactical, the nightclub is pretty much like not really the place. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, but listen, if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, go and do that, man. Have that experience. You know, I would say have that experience, but once you pass like probably like 20, 24, 25, I mean, bro, like, it's not really the one anymore. But anyway, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Let me know if you agree or you disagree. Leave some comments, have some conversation. We need like 500 likes at the very least under these videos, yeah? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram, King Riches Official. Follow me on TikTok, King Riches 2. And with that being said, you lot take care.